All right, we're ready to assemble our card. So for this one, the sample I used an olive colored card base and then like a pinky corally matte. This one I'm going to use a yellow card base and a green matte. And really, I probably should have used one of those colors for the sentiment matte, but that's okay. We've got that one ready. We're going to use it. It's going to work because those colors are in the watercolor as well. I'm using a liquid glue to glue my color or glue my cards together, because with a liquid glue you have a little bit of time to shimmy things in place, whereas a double-sided adhesive sometimes it's a little bit less forgiving, and especially if you're starting out, I like it when adhesives are a little bit more forgiving. So now just putting the sentiment on its matte. So you see I can move it around till I have it centered how I would like. And then I put it in front of the yellow flower on purpose because, like I said, it's my least favorite color, but I wanted a pop of a different color flower in there. But you could put it somewhere else where it's not covering a flower. So there we go. So there's the sample there, and it's got different colored mattes. Both of them work. Both of them look pretty. Just shows you that you don't necessarily have to do it in this color and have to have these colored mattes. You can do it in whatever you're wanting. But there you go. We'll see you in the next video.